Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'll be going over 3 of my favorite VPNs you can use for Firestick. I've made loads of different videos about the many different ways you can use these VPNs, like how to watch anything you want on Netflix, stream shows on HBO Max, or watch Hulu. All of those videos will be linked down below, but in today's video, I'm going to help you out with your Firestick and show you the top 3 VPNs you can use. Each of these VPNs are amazing, but they're slightly different, and so I've decided to show you all of them side by side. And this also gives you the chance to choose the best VPN that suits you. Alright, let's start out with IPVanish. IPVanish is a good option here because of its affordability, speed, and great customer service. IPVanish is pretty easy to use and navigate with really good prices as well. So to connect to it for Firestick, just open IPVanish. Search for the suitable server, so I'm going to search for the United States. Then just press connect and your computer or device will notify you that it's been connected. That's when you know you can use Firestick or any other device to watch what you want. IPVanish also has a 30-day money-back guarantee policy, which is super comfortable. It means that if you're unhappy with a VPN or no longer wish to use it within 30 days of buying it, you can get a full refund. The second VPN we'll be using for our Firestick is Surfshark. Surfshark really stands out for letting their users connect their account to an unlimited number of devices. That's right guys, you can buy one plan of Surfshark and literally have your whole family connect to it. You can even have your friends connect to it too. It also has amazing 24/7 customer support at only $2.50 a month. It's super affordable. So let me show you just how easy it is to connect to so that you can use your Firestick with Surfshark. I've already disconnected from IPVanish and I'm now opening Surfshark. I'm just going to go to the servers, choose the one that's in the US, and it should connect automatically. The last VPN we'll be testing out today will be TorGuard. TorGuard is known for its unlimited speeds. It has really high speeds since it has over 3,000 servers in more than 50 countries. So it never has a problem finding you a suitable server. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the United States, just like our other VPNs, and press on go. Again, it should connect you pretty quickly, and it's a simple process just like the other VPNs I mentioned. Once again, discount links for all 3 of these VPNs are in my description below if you're interested in checking them out. So if you're unaware, the Amazon Firestick is a device that allows you to stream videos, install apps, listen to music, and other things. You can hook it up to your TV, but you can't really use your Firestick depending on which country you're in. If you're unfamiliar, most of the services have figured out that people use VPNs, and so they've learned how to detect and block them. IPVanish and all of the other VPNs on today's list do not get blocked. So that means you can use them for Hulu, Firestick, Netflix, and other services to watch your favorite shows. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to smash the like button and leave a comment below letting me know what you think and which VPN you decide to go with. If you like these kind of review videos, please consider subscribing to the channel as it helps a lot. Alright guys.